What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we doing pork chops. Extra thick cut pork chops, y'all. And they finna be so tasty. We gonna season them up and get them into that pan. And don't forget, while you here, give me that LSS, y'all, that like, share, and subscribe. But you know what time it is. Let's get it. So let's go ahead and rain on 'em. Hit them with a little salt, some cayenne, and some garlic powder, y'all. Now you want to make sure you season these well, cause they real thick. And then we gonna get our probe in. Now this is that 2 grill probe. You know I like it, y'all. You know I like it. Now we gonna get it straight into our cast iron pan. Now in our cast iron pan, we already had about 2 tablespoons of rendered bacon fat. Oh yeah, just to make it a little bit more better. And look at them chops, don't they look good? That's about 2 minutes on that side. We gonna get it flipped over, cause all we trying to do is get that color on it. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. After another 2 to 3 minutes, we gonna get that straight into the oven until we reach that magic temperature of 145, y'all. Cause I like mine medium. So I had mine with a baked potato. Of course, you know, had to cut them open and get that butter in. So yeah, y'all, take a look at that chop. Don't it look good? Look good and tasty too. Oh yeah. Wifey was so happy. You know, she loved her some pork. She might not like chicken, but she like her some pork. So we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. And I'm glad she did, because you know she been down, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.